And guys, welcome back to another vlog. So ang ating voiceover today ay may konting kaba dahil nga ang Qatar ay binubomba ng Iran. Well anyway, back for today's video. So for today's adventure, we're going to Everland, South Korea. One of the biggest and most famous theme parks here in South Korea. So this trip is DIY lang talaga kami. So walang tour, walang guide, sariling sikap lang guys. So from Seoul, we rode a bus papunta sa Everland. And medyo maaga kaming umalis because travel time is around 1.5 hours and depende po sa traffic. And travel tip guys, leave early para masulit ninyo ang buong day inside the park. And guys, before coming here, make sure to book your ticket in advance online. Mas cheaper siya compared to buying on-site and less hassle kasi diretsong scan ka lang sa entrance. And super convenient and tipid-friendly also. So pagdating namin, sobrang excited na agad kami because the entrance pa lang, ramdam mo na yung theme park vibes, the music, colorful buildings, and of course, the people na super excited din. At parang bumalik kami sa pagiging bata ulit. At napakaganda talaga guys, ang cherry blossom. So finally, andito na kami sa loob ng park and medyo malawak siya guys. So ang first stop namin ngayon sa itinerary is to visit the Bauhaus. So Bauhaus is the famous one of the attraction also inside the Everland. So if you're a panda lover, this place is a must visit. Ang cute ng concept, everything is panda theme. Ang daming photo spots and of course we took so many pictures. Hindi pwedeng hindi magpa-picture, diba? Super adorable talaga. And guys, finally, after sa haba-habang lakad namin ay andito na kami sa main entrance. So expected na namin talaga na mahaba ang queue kasi nga madami talagang napunta dito sa Bauhaus. By the way guys, ang Bauhaus is actually one of the most popular spots in the park kasi nga ang pandas are very rare and very special animals, especially sa Korea. Kaya maraming tourist talaga na excited makita sila in person. So ayan ang inside look guys. At ayun na nga guys, bago kami pumasok, so one of the staff nag-remind sa amin na bawal nga ang mag-ingay sa loob. Kasi nga parang alam mo yung library, yung atake, parang kailangan maging calm, peaceful. So ayun, so gusto nila yung mga tourist na pasok sa loob is kailangan talagang maging maingat at maging tahimik kasi nga ang mga pandas ay isang sensitive animal, so madali silang ma-stress, so kailangan to protect them, bawal kang sumigaw, bawal magingay, and even also na may flash na pagpicture bawal po sa loob. So when we visited also that time, there were 2 pandas available only. Super lucky din namin kasi nga hindi always guaranteed na active sila. So sometimes they are resting or not visible, so yung timing talaga important guys. After the Bauhaus at andito na tayo sa afternoon parade nila. Actually, ang theme park guys ay non-stop po yung events nila sa loob. So, ikaw nang bahala maghanap ng kung anong schedule ang pupuntahan mo. So, nag-enjoy talaga kami dyan kasi nga ang haba-haba talaga ng parade nila guys. Parang 45 minutes halos. Ayun na nga guys, hindi mabubuo yung experience at adventure natin dito sa Korea kung hindi natin itatry ang legendary T-Express ride. Isa ito guys sa pinaka-fastest wooden roller coasters kuno sa buong mundo. So grabe guys, yung first drop pa lang parang iniwan na yung kaluluwa mo, like the whole time you're screaming, but super worth it. If you love thrill rides, this is definitely a must try when you visit Everland guys. After after all that adrenaline, guys, nagutom na talaga kami. So we decided to have lunch inside the park. So madaming food options din, like Korean food, Japanese food, lahat ng mga styles ng meals nandun. So you have a lot of choices talaga. So that's it. The price is good. The price is right. Hindi siya expensive and masarap yung food nila, guys. Totally worth it.
Hello. Can I have one water, please, also? Yeah. I'll need to bring... okay then. So just punch it the water. Just include the water, and then I'll pay for this.
Okay.
Okay then.
Water then Evian?
Yeah.
So after the lunch, guys, we explored more of the park. So ang Everland talaga ay malawak, guys. So you have to prepare your legs, wear your comfy shoes kasi nga madami talaga ang lakarin. So inabot na kami ng gabi kasi nga ang pinaka-highlight talaga na inaantay namin is the fireworks display at saka yung night parade nila. So ang night parade nila, guys, is grabe, napakaganda talaga. May dancers, may floats, bright lights, happy music, yung parang nasa fairy tale ka. Para yung atake niya, guys, is like Disneyland. And then finally, guys, the most awaited part, ang fireworks display nila. So inantay talaga namin to. Di bali na mag-last trip kami sa bus pabalik ng Seoul. Basta hindi namin ma-miss tong moment na to, guys. At yun na nga, guys, napaka-magical talaga. Like, parang main character talaga ang atake namin dito. You know, it's all worth it. It's really worth it talaga, guys. So, kapag nasa Everland kayo, wag nyong i-miss talaga yung part na to. Tapusin nyo talaga yung event. Kahit malate man, may last trip pa naman, guys. So, honestly, don't leave early, guys. The night show completes the whole Everland experience. Solid.
Oh, it's real tulips. Ang ganda. I will exchange.